workshop that I do with Sabin, that it's not me coming and only sharing knowledge with you. Actually, we make the knowledge together. Did you notice that?
Yeah.
Everything that we create, we do together. And that's why I feel inspiration to come. Because I want to learn with you and from you. So thank you. I want to say thank you to Sabin, who you cannot see, but she works so hard to create this for you.
Yes.
So I really want you to, she is sick and she is still going. And she is calling and making sure, and she is buying the snacks every day. And she knows each of you so well, and she believes in each of you so much. So she is really an important, amazing person to have here.
We love you, Miss Sabin.
We love you. Love you, Miss.